Did you know there is a palace in India famous for its sweet mangoes, rich Sufi culture, and musical heritage? Today, let's explore the beautiful district of Amroha. Intro. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore Amroha, a beautiful district in Uttar Pradesh, known for its rich culture, heritage, delicious mangoes, and musical tradition. Though not as widely known as major cities, Amroha holds a unique charm that reflects India's diversity. So let's begin. History. Amroha has a long and fascinating history that dates back to ancient times. It is believed that the city was established during the early medieval period and later became an important center under the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. The region has also been associated with Sufi tradition, which played a major role in shaping its cultural identity. Over time, Amroha developed as a center of learning, spirituality, and craftsmanship. During British rule, it continued to be an important town in the region. Geography. Amroha is located in the western part of Uttar Pradesh. It lies near the fertile plains of the Ganga River basin. The district experiences hot summer, cool winter, moderate monsoon rainfall. Its fertile soil supports agriculture, especially the cultivation of mangoes and sugarcane. The people of Amroha are known for their hospitality, simplicity, and cultural values. The population is diverse with different communities living together peacefully. Main occupations include agriculture, handicrafts, a small business. Amroha is especially known for its artsy language. The main language spoken in Amroha is Hindi. Urdu is also widely spoken and has a strong culture presence in the region. English is used in education and official work. Food. Amroha is famous for its delicious and traditional food. Popular food items include mangoes, especially of high quality, North Indian dishes like roti, dal, and sabji, Mughal dishes such as a kabbas and biryani, sweet like jalebi and pera. The food reflects both rural simplicity and Mughal influence. Culture. Amroha has a vibrant culture life influenced by tradition and Sufi heritage. Culture heritage include celebration of festivals like Eid, Diwali, and Holi, a strong tradition of music and poetry, local fair and culture events. The city is also known for producing talent musicians and artists. Tourism. Amroha has several palaces of culture and religions, important dargah of Sufi saints, local temple and mosque, traditional market. These palaces attract visitors interested in spirituality and local culture. Facts. Here are some interesting facts about Amroha. It is famous for its high quality mangoes. The city has a strong Sufi culture influence, known for its musical tradition. It has a rich blend of Hindu and Muslim culture. Importance. Amroha holds importance in several areas. Agriculture importance known for mangoes and sugarcane production. Culture importance culture Sufi and musical traditional. History importance influenced by various dynasties. Special importance a symbol of culture harmony. In conclusion, Amroha is a city that beautifully reflects India's culture, diversity, and heritage. From its sweet mangoes to its soulful music, it offers a unique experience that diverse recognition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for you watching.